The passing of days will reveal to us all that was hidden. Do not run after him who tries to avoid you. Having a soft heart in a carel world is courage, not weakness. Do not beg anyone, even if you are in need. Sometimes you need a mute button for your mind and feelings. Failure is not the opposite of success, it's part of success. For the grace of the presence, be grateful. God sometimes removes a person from your life for your protection. Do not run after them. Instead of looking at what's depressing, look at what's a blessing. Set your life on fire. Seek those who fan your flames. I lost everything. I have found myself. Always keep moving toward your goal. Believe you can and you are halfway there. Silence is the best answer to someone does not to value your words. Nothing is given, everything is earned. Happiness is not by chance, but by choice. Life is a balance between holding and letting go. Stop giving your life away to other people. Never lose hope just when you think it's over. God send you a miracle.